Okay, so you wanted to go through TEEL just one more time. We can do that. I have some examples to go through just to continue to break down how TEEL works as a essay paragraph structure. So you got your topic sentence, explanation, elaboration, example or evidence, and then your linking sentence, which are color-coded on the screen. A lot of it is, so your topic sentence introduces what this paragraph in particular is about. So normally when you're writing an essay, you have several paragraphs, normally 2 to 3, that are different arguments or points to link back to your essay question. Then explanation and elaboration. This is where you have additional information that kind of relates to your topic sentence. This is just extra information, elaborating on your topic sentence and how it relates to your essay paragraph, like essay structure question. And then your evidence or example. So you put examples, a for instance, or evidence, which is normally a reference or a like a source quote, page numbers. This is where all that would go. So if you have a quote from a book or an instance in a movie, this is where you'd put that. So that hence why there's a reference directly in an in-text reference in that section there, because it provides evidence. You're saying, look, things out there support this argument. And then your linking sentence, a lot of people will say you can link it back to your topic sentence. It's a lot easier to link it back to your essay question or your essay statement, because then you're continuously reiterating that this is the argument you put forward. So that's really it. That's how you write a TEEL sentence. I hope that helps. If you need anything else, we can go through it again.